Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And I am headed into CVS. As you can see, I'm looking at the ad for December 12th through the 18th. And we're going to go in and get some incredible deals. We're going to use a spend 70, get $10 off. We're going to get some free Depends. You can either get the men's or the women's silhouettes, totally up to you. And we're going to get some glitch deals. So stay tuned. Get your inserts out. Get your phone out so you can take some pictures. Make sure you take some notes because the one glitch is very specific. And I want to make sure you guys get everything right so that you can save that money. So guys, give this video a thumbs up. Share it with your friends, family. Tweet it out. Put it on your Instagram, your Messenger, your Facebook. Share with everyone so everyone knows what we're doing over here at Nicole is making it happen. And let's head into CVS. Alright guys, so the first deal that we're going to grab is on the Depends silhouettes. I'm personally getting the silhouettes because that's the best bang for your buck, but there's other things that you can get. Now the silhouettes are $15.99, so if you round that up to 16, that's going to be about $32. And the reason we're going to get two for a couple different reasons. First, they have a deal where if you spend 20, if you spend 30, you get $10 in extra bucks back. You can only do the deal one time. So that's the first reason we're going to get two. So we're going to do that. And then if you look around in the store, there are some peelies on some of the Depends products. It's a $3 peelie coupon. You can use that. Or if you printed off the $2 coupons that were on coupons.com last week, you can use that. Or you can go to the Depends website, and that's what I did. I got these $2.50 off coupons. So there's two different ones that will apply to this deal. And here's both of them. So I'm going to use one of each. You can print two of each, and that's exactly what I did. So that's going to be $5 off, okay? Plus the $10 that I'm going to get back from CVS and Extra Bucks. So that's $15 off so far. But then I do have, and I bought a rebate for $5 off each one. So that's another $10 off. So we are at $25 off, right? And then I have a CRT. And some of you guys may have this CRT also. I'm just pulling it up here in my CVS app. If you have any CRTs that may say, it could be a Depend CRT, it could be a adult training pants CRT. There's a couple different ones you can use, but actually you can actually combine them if they're not spend CRTs. Mine is actually a spend CRT. As you can see, it's $4 off, $25 in adult wear, and this does qualify. So we're going to use $4 in CRTs. We're going to get $10 back from Ibotta. We're going to get $10 back in Extra Bucks. And then we're going to use $5 in coupons. So that's $29 in savings. So actually we're going to pay about $3 for these in total, or you can figure $1.50 a piece. Guys, I think that's an excellent deal. And we're also going to submit our receipt to Fetch, and we're going to get a couple more cents back from Fetch. Now you may have a rebate on Fetch where you get $4 more off. If you have that, submit that, and then it'll be like a dollar moneymaker for you. I already used my rebate for Fetch, so I don't have that. But if you have it, go ahead and use it. It makes a great moneymaker. Okay, so let's review our receipt for the Depends. You can see they were $15.99 each. And these are the coupons I used, the $2.50 coupons, so that's $5 off. Then I used the $4 CRT, $4 off, $25 adult care CRT. And then I used $10 in Extra Bucks. So out of pocket, I paid $12.98. But I got back actually, if you add the $10 in extra bucks plus the $12.98. That's like paying $22.98 out of pocket. But I got back the $10 in extra bucks, and once I submitted my receipt to Ibotta, I got back the $10 from Ibotta for the two $5 rebates. And because that was my third package of Depends, I actually reached a bonus. I got $3 back in bonus. So really, I got back a total of $13 from Ibotta. So if you take the $13 plus the $10 in extra bucks, then that means this is a 2-cent money maker. Fabulous deal for 2 packs of Depends. So guys, make sure you look through your CRTs and make sure that you include any of them that say adult care or adult diapers or anything like that, because you can use those on the Depends, okay? So if I would not have used the $10 in extra bucks, I would have paid $22.98 in cash, and I would have got back the $10 in extra bucks, and I would have gotten back the $13 from Ibotta, which again comes to $23 and is still a 2-cent moneymaker. So if you don't have the $10 in extra bucks, it'll still be a moneymaker for you, because you're getting back the $10 in extra bucks and you're getting back the money from Ibotta. And don't forget to submit your receipt to Fetch so you can get a couple cents back from Fetch. All right, we're going to move on, and we're going to do a couple of deals. We're going to do the Gold Bond deal, which is spend 20, get back 10. And we're also going to do the P&G deal, which is spend 30, get 10. But I'm going to actually combine those deals because I have a 10 off 70 coupon, and that includes some glitches that I'm going to show you. Okay, guys, so the first deal we're going to do is the spend 30, get back 10 deal. We're going to grab 2 of the Tide liquids. They're $5.94 a piece. We're going to use the $3 off 2 paper coupon, but you can use the digital coupon if you haven't used that yet. Then we're going to grab 2 of the Tide Pods. They're on sale 2 for $9.94. We're going to use the $3 off 2 paper coupon for that, or you can use the digital, totally up to you. Then we're going to grab 2 of the Herbal Essence shampoos. Those shampoo and conditioners, those are 2 for $12. That gets us to our $30, but here's a glitch, guys. You're going to use the $4 off 2 Herbal Essence paper coupon that expired on Sunday, but you know you can still use them because CVS takes coupons. Most CVS's take coupons that expire, but as long as they're 14 days after the expiration date. So we're going to use that, and then we're going to use that with the digital $4 off too. So that is a glitch. So make sure that you clip that, give them the paper and clip the digital. So that will bring your out of pocket to a lower amount. Now we're going to do the Gold Bond deal. The Gold Bond deal is spend 20, get back 10. So that is an excellent deal. So that's like getting 50% back in extra bucks. So I grabbed 2 of these Gold Bond lotions. They're each $10.99. I use the buy one, get one free coupon, and the max value that can be taken off of that is $9.99. But there's also a glitch with this. Everyone should have gotten a $2 off Gold Bond lotion digital coupon in their CVS app. Go ahead and clip that. That will glitch with your paper coupon. Woohoo! That makes this deal even better. And you get back a $10 extra buck. And then I grabbed 1 of the Charmin, which are on sale for $7.99. I had a $3 CRT, Charmin CRT, and that's why I grabbed that Charmin. And then I'm using a $1 paper Q. And yes, it did expire on Saturday, but we're still using it because it's still within the 14 days. So I'm going to get $4 off that $7.99 for that Charmin. And then lastly, I grabbed 4 of the Frebeze. Now, guys, please take note because this is a glitch and you have to do it exactly this way or else it will not work. The Frebeze sprays are on sale for $2.99. You're going to grab a total of 4 Frebeze sprays, each for $2.99. Then you're going to use 2 of the buy one, get one free paper coupons. that just expired this Saturday out of your P&G insert. Then you're also going to clip the one $3 off 2 paper coupon, digital coupon in your CVS app. So you have to grab 4, use 2 paper coupons in your digital coupon. Guys, can you imagine what your out of pocket is? So what I did is I threw all of this together because I had a $10 off 70 coupon. So let's review the receipt. Let me show you how the glitches work and what our out of pocket was. Okay, so here is our receipt. There you see the Herbal Essence shampoo and conditioner. They were regularly $7.29, but they're on sale 2 for $12. There's the Tide Pods. They're on sale 2 for $9.94. The Frebeze sprays are each on sale for $2.99. You see, I got 4 of those. The Charmin was regularly $12.49, on sale for $7.99. The Tide Liquid, I got 2 of those, and those are on sale for $5.94. Then you see the Gold Bond. I got 2 Gold Bonds, and they were $10.99 a piece. Now, let's go over our manufacturer coupons that we use. So the first one is, he keyed in $9.99, and that is for the Gold Bond buy one, get one free coupon. Okay, this is what the Gold Bond coupon looks like, and as you can see, the max value is $8.99 or $9.99 that you can punch in. So he punched in the $9.99. And then the next thing is the $4 coupon. That is this $4 Herbal Essence coupon. Then the next one is the dollar coupon, which is for the Charmin. Next is the $3 coupon, and that was for the Tide. And this is where I messed up. I forgot to give him this $3 coupon for my Tide Pods. So that should have been $3 more out of pocket that I should not have had to pay. So then the next one, the next 2 coupons say $2.99 each. And those are for these, the 2 coupons that I use. I'm sorry, guys. The 2 coupons that I use for the Frebeze. And then you see the $4 Herbal Essence coupon. That is the digital, so that glitched with the paper coupon. Then you see the $2 Gold Bond digital coupon. That glitched with the paper coupon that I used. Then you see the $3 Frebeze coupon. That is a digital coupon that glitched with the paper coupons that I used. Then there's my $10 off 70 next purchase CRT. Then I had a $3 off Charmin CRT. And then I used $10 in extra bucks to make my out-of-pocket even lower. So then I paid $19.78. So when you add that up, that's $39. Excuse me, I can't add today. Yeah, $39.78 that I paid out of pocket. But I got back $10 in extra bucks for the Gold Bond. And I got back $10 in extra bucks for the spend 30 on select products. So then actually my out of pocket, so my original out of pocket between the $10 in extra bucks and the $19.78 I put on my card was $29.78. But I got back the $20 in extra bucks. So then that meant that really my out of pocket was only $9.78 for 13 items. And those are some really expensive items like the Gold Bond and the shampoo and the Charmin. So I'm pretty happy with paying $9.78 out of pocket. Okay, guys, so this is everything that we got in our haul. The 2 bottles of Tide, the 2 packs of Tide Pods, the 2 boxes of Depends Silhouette, the pack of Charmin, 4 Frebeze sprays, a bottle of Herbal Essence shampoo, a bottle of Herbal Essence conditioner, and 2 bottles of Gold Bond lotion. This was a pretty good haul, I'd say. Our total out of pocket was $9.76. I say that's pretty good for everything that we got, even though we had some hiccups with some of the coupons. And it really, one of the things was my fault. I forgot to give the Tide coupon. And then I'm not sure why the lotion CRT didn't attach. But it's okay. I'm more than happy with paying that for all that I got. So again, I thank you guys for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Let me know if it's something that you like that you're going to do in this video. Let me know if you've already done some of the deals. Share with us what you've done. Maybe we can save even more. And as always, hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so already, and hit the bell. That way you get notified every time I put up a new video. But as always, until the next time, keep on saving.